Hey y'all, did y'all know that tomorrow's National Dip Day? I think that's what it's called. I'm making, for my work, I'm making corn dip, Cardi B dip, and Rotel cheese dip. And I'm probably gonna make a strawberry pretzel salad. And I found a really easy, y'all know those brigadeiros that me and the kids tried the other day? I found a really easy recipe for the coconut one that we liked so much. Or at least I hope it's the same thing because that thing was good. So I'm gonna do that too. I just got all kinds of stuff I'm about to do. I'm not gonna show y'all the corn dip because I just made it the other day, but if you wanna see how to make that, all you gotta do is type Miranda Stay Classy corn dip and I'm sure you'll find an old video of mine doing that. I'm gonna make 2 batches of that, one for my work and one for Hannah's. All right, I just got the 2 batches of corn dip made and I saved a little container for Caden too, and now I'm about to make the Rotel cheese dip. I always start by cooking some hamburger meat and hot sausage. This is just ground beef and Tennessee Pride hot sausage. I'm gonna put this in the skillet and get it brown. And while I wait for that meat to cook, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up 1 whole block of velveeta cheese and put some Rotel in it. I don't drain the Rotel, and I'm just gonna put it in the microwave and get the cheese melted. In my Tupperware bowl, I've got that whole block of Velveeta cheese and 2 cans of Rotel, and I'm just gonna slowly heat it up in the microwave while the meat cooks, just to get it good and melty so I can stir it up. Then I'm gonna cool it down and put it in the refrigerator, because tomorrow I'm putting it in the crock pot at work, but I'm just prepping everything today. I already know what y'all are gonna say. Don't put plastic in the microwave. You can put your cheese in with your meat after you drain it and melt it on the stovetop if you want to. But I don't put it in there for long, just a minute or 2, long enough to get it just not cold. I don't even melt it all the way. It's still got like blocks of cheese, like clumps of cheese in it. It is mostly prepped so that when I warm it up tomorrow, it'll be ready to go. But by all means, if you would like to warm yours up on the stove, please do so. All I got left as far as the dips go is the Cardi B dip. So I might be able to squeeze that one in this video, and then I'll just make a separate video for the strawberry pretzel salad. I have something else that I had to try. I kept seeing everybody trying them. It gets me every time. It's like walking by an end cap at the grocery store. I'm gonna buy whatever's on the end cap. It's milk rice treats. I got them off the TikTok shop. I was like, a milk rice treat? Is it gonna taste like milk? That's gotta be gross. And everybody else who I saw trying them was skeptical too until they put it in their mouth. And they said it was so good. So I had to get it for myself to see if they were lying. Because sometimes they do lie. But I'm telling you, it's so good. It is so good. The way I can describe it to you is that the texture is like a real soft cheese puff. But the taste, especially the aftertaste, is like the honeycomb cereal. It's just a really slightly sweet flavor, but it is so good. Listen. And it just melts away. It's already gone. It melts in your mouth. The best part is you can eat 3 of these and it's only 170 calories for 3 of them. Let me get back to cooking. Okay, Cardi B dip. I didn't take the time to go back and find where I made this the last time, and I can't remember if it had 1 block or 2 blocks of cream cheese. So we're gonna start with 1 and see how it goes. But I do know that it needs 2 avocados. It was supposed to be ripe avocados, and I don't think these are ripe. Definitely not. But you know, Walmart delivery. I'm not complaining though, because I love me some Walmart delivery. It's going in the food processor, so I hope that it won't really matter. Let me get these cut up and I'll be back. I got it done, but I had to literally peel them with a knife because they're not ripe. I hope that works. You're also gonna need pickled jalapenos. I don't remember how many, just do it to taste. I'm gonna start off with 2 large, maybe 3. Yeah, 1 more large spoonful. And you're gonna need about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of garlic, granulated garlic or garlic powder. About a cup and a half of sour cream, block of cream cheese, maybe 2, I'll let you know. Jalapenos smell so good. Then you're gonna need a spoonful of chicken bouillon. And then you're gonna need the juice of a lime. I got 2 out just in case. Sometimes they're not juicy enough. Let's see how much cheese we got. That one's pretty juicy. Now you're just gonna blend this in your food processor and hope that your avocados blend up. It tastes so good. It's got a lot more texture than it's ever had before when I made this because of those avocados. It don't need salt, but it does need pepper. I don't have any cheese Doritos right now, but if I did, I would be eating this with cheese Doritos because it's even better than tortilla chips. That's what it looks like. Oh, this is so good. If you want it to be completely creamy, like it's supposed to be, because it's Cardi B's creamy jalapeno avocado dip is what I think the technical name for it. But if you don't want that texture to it, make sure your avocados are ripe. That's it. That's what it's looking like. It's got a little green tint to it, and like I said, it's really good with cheese Doritos. So we're gonna have all the different dips for work tomorrow. We got the corn dip, the Rotel cheese dip, and now the Cardi B dip. I think one of my coworkers is bringing a Cadbury egg dip. I'm curious to try that, and there's no telling what else we're gonna have. Oh, one of them's bringing that pickle dip that's been going viral. I'm excited to try that too. Y'all make you a dip tomorrow for National Dip Day, and I'll put, if I make the strawberry pretzel salad, I'll put that in a different video, and if I make the coconut brigadeiros, I'll put that in a different video too. I love you. Stay classy.